Always assume the disconnect or panel could be energized or harbor hazards like aggressive insects before you put your hands on it. When opening a disconnect or panel on an HVAC unit, start by visually scanning the area for insect nests, frayed wires, corrosion, and water intrusion so you know what you might face. Stand back and open the cover slowly using your free hand to steady the panel and your eyes to catch any sudden movements like wasps fleeing a nest. Shut off power at the disconnect and verify zero voltage with a reliable meter following test meter verification procedures by testing a known live source first, then the target, then the known live again, so you never trust a single reading. Wear insulated gloves sized for dexterity and rated for the system voltage, along with safety glasses or a face shield to protect against arc flash and flying debris. After verifying de-energized, check for hot surfaces, sharp edges, and trapped wiring before inserting tools or your hand, and keep metal tools insulated or use non-conductive handles to reduce shock risk. If you discover signs of electrical shorts such as burnt insulation or melted components stop work, isolate power, document the condition, and contact a qualified electrician or your supervisor before proceeding. 3 common mistakes are rushing to touch components without verifying de-energized, which can cause shock or arc flash, so always follow the test sequence and wait for stable meter readings. Another frequent error is neglecting insect hazards, where technicians open panels without awareness and receive stings or are driven back from the work area. Stand off during opening and use a mirror or inspection camera if you suspect nests. A third issue is using inappropriate personal protective equipment or tools which increases injury risk. Choose gloves rated for the voltage, eye protection for potential arcs, and non-conductive tools, and replace damaged PPE immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for local contractors with contractors seeking jobs and relevant leads. We host a discussion community where we share practical safety tips, trade experiences, and local recommendations so we can all learn from each other.